got to focus on behaviors, executing best practice. That's our work, to hunt, gather, protect, and defend. Our job is to put teachers in position to execute the kind of practice that will get them new results, which will then change their attitudes. And that's when we buy in. No one buys in on the front end, and we got to get rid of that myth. Buy-in occurs once people engage in the work and get new results from the work. But you got to have a street level bottom line. If you're waiting for the standardized test data to tell you whether your initiative is working, you're dead in the water. You got to have local results, and that scares us sometimes because in the back of our minds, we're thinking about where Jose comes from, and Deshaun, and Hunter, and Louise, and what kind of households they come from, and we want that to kind of mitigate and diminish our work. I'm telling you, we're afraid of our own shadow, and we got to get away from that. We got to get back to local results, common formative assessments, cycles of teaching, learning, and assessment, and those should then feed the high stakes assessment that come from the state or the province or the country.